Hello to all my sweet children. Look at what we are going to make today. We are going to make a fish. Look at it. Look. It's a basic shape of a fish. There are different ways to make fishes in origami, but today I'm going to show you this basic shape for nursery children to make if you wish, and even primary school children can make this to be used for different creations and different decorations, because this is the most basic and the simplest way of making a fish using origami. So I will show you how to make a fish tank even with using these fishes. Now we'll need some paper with the same colors and use something that there is a pattern on so that it will look nicer. The fishy will be colorful and more beautiful if you get a patterned paper. So we need a piece of paper like this where we can fold it into a triangle like this. Okay, so we are going to make it into a triangle. Now when we are folding it, we have to make sure that it looks like a triangle. If you make it like a square, it will not look right. It will go wrong. So you have to be careful about the basic shape that you make with your origami paper. So now for the fishy, we need a longer body, so we folded him like a triangle. Then we turned it around, and in the opposite direction also we folded it. Now we are going to fold it in a rectangular way so that the pattern goes inside, and then the same thing on the other side. Now open it up. So now the body part is on this side, so we need to this little star sort of thing that has been made. There's a cross here on this side, and on this side there's a X sort of a shape. See? Now we have to hold on to the two sides of this X and push it in. And then see, when you put them all together, you get a triangle. 4 triangles together, in fact. And now we have his face. The fish's shape is there. Now we are going to make his fins, his back fins, and his tail and things like that. Tail fins. Now we are going to make the tail fins. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take this flap and bring it down a bit, but not completely down like this. Just not even to the center, but somewhere in the middle between the corner edge and the middle line. And fold it in and then press it down. So you see that there's a little piece sticking out of the fish's main body. We are going to do the same thing with the other side. We are going to fold it in. So if it is right, if I had done it right, this would have come onto this, the two flaps would have come onto each other. See how it looks. So you have to make sure that they are the same length. Now turn it around and see. See, we have a big fishy. The two top fins and the tail fins. Now you can draw some eyes if you wish, a nice mouth. I know my children watch DP Kids arts programs, so I know that our sir once told us how to draw a fish tank. So what we are going to do is today we are going to draw a fish tank and paste our origami fishes inside it. I'm not as good as y'all are in drawing, but I will try my best. How we will paste the fishes? We have to first apply glue to the fins so that the fins are sticking together first. Then a bit on the body. Put a little glue on the body, and then we can keep the fishy any way we want and then move the fins a bit so that the fins seem to be moving. You can pick it up a bit and change it a bit. Then I have another fishy, so I'm going to paste that small fishy also here. My bigger fish is a bit too big for my fish tank, and I have used a 5 into 5 centimeter square for this small fish. So if you have any colored paper that is square in color, you can make a fishy like this. Now for him, both his fins are moving up and down. See how I have done it? Okay. Now we have to draw in some seaweeds. Then they have to have bubbles coming out of their mouth. So we have to draw those too. I told you my arts are not as pretty as what you will do, but I also know that you will do a better job like our arts did, and I believe you will make it colorful and beautiful and paste them like this within a fish tank that you may draw on a paper. So with origami, we can make lots and lots of fishes like calves and goldfishes, any type of fishes like even in the sea, the sharks, whales, any type of fish we can make with origami. So be with us until the very end. Don't forget. Then I will see you soon.